The mudders.
I feel it.
All right.
Rosa, I got sizzling the whole weekend.
This
You
is
got
for the rest of you all
Robin and
that
Mom.
were
I
afraid
know.
to hike
So
with
you
us.
went to Luscious Creek?
Really?
Yes, I did. Well, we did.
Oh, it's wet. It's scary wet. My
I
goodness.
heard.
Oh my
I'm like,
goodness.
okay,
How are
well,
we going to possibly do
Oh my
this?
God, he's recording already?
Everyone get your yak tracks on. And your rain gaiters.
Wait, I gotta
Rain
put my makeup
jackets.
on.
Makeup. Gloves.
The 10 essentials.
Yep. Or just shorts and a t-shirt like normal. That'd be okay. Oh my God! Look at how wet this is, how muddy! Clay, I understand how you would never possibly dream of hiking on this. Oh my gosh, Dan, you too. Jeez.
Watch out for the river.
Oh my gosh.
The flood zone.
How would Mark make it? I'm so happy you stayed home. There's no chance that you could possibly have hiked it. Smart move. Wow. Look at this sloshing. Oh my God.
You're wading right through it, Eric.
Whoa. I'm glad I got my waders on. Goodness. Oh, are those shorts? Yes. Uh-oh, how's Jackie gonna make it?
Oh, she's gonna drown.
I wish I brought my scuba gear.
She's gonna get swallowed up by the flood.
Good thing Marianne didn't make it. No chance for her. Uh-oh. Here comes... This is the muddy part. Look at this. You're right. Oh my God. We are so amazing that we could possibly make it through this. Oh, look at this. Incredible. I'm falling and slipping everywhere.
It'd be funny if it was like 3 deep of quicksand up ahead.
Oh, it is getting muddy now. It is a mud fest, guys. Smart move by staying at Guadalajara. You, great call.
Thank you for
This
that.
is barely doable. Goodness. Look at us all.
Get the rope.
Get the rope. We might need it. Okay, there's a little something to this mud stuff. We just consider it ankle weights. But hey guys, wait till you see the mud wrestling that's going on.
Again? We just did
Again,
that.
yep, time for round 2. This time I'm going to capture on video for you all.
No pulling out.